Welcome to today's presentation on key market indicators and economic factors, an in-depth exploration of economic factors shaping the real estate market. In this session, we will delve into the critical indicators that play a pivotal role in guiding strategic real estate decisions. Overview of key market indicators and their importance. As we begin, let's grasp the significance of market indicators. They are the compass guiding our real estate journey. Broadly categorized into economic indicators and local market indicators, these metrics provide us with macroeconomic insights and region-specific data, respectively. Economic indicators. Now let's focus on economic indicators. These metrics offer a broad view of the economic landscape. Three key indicators stand out: GDP growth rates, unemployment figures, and inflation trends. GDP growth rates, reflecting economic health, they impact property values. A growing economy often correlates with an appreciating real estate market. Unemployment figures, a vital gauge influencing rental demand and property markets. Employment rates intricately shape housing demand trends. Inflation trends, shaping real estate investments, they impact property appreciation and financing costs. Considering inflation is crucial for sound investment planning. Local market indicators. Turning our attention to local market indicators, we find the heartbeat of specific regions. Three key indicators in this category are population trends, demographic shifts, and economic drivers. Population trends. These influence housing demand. Understanding shifts in population dynamics is key to anticipating real estate trends. Demographic shifts, affecting property preferences based on age, income, and lifestyle changes. Demographics play a crucial role in shaping the unique dynamics of local real estate markets. Economic drivers. These are the local factors shaping real estate, including employment opportunities and industry trends. They contribute significantly to the values and trends within a specific region. As we conclude our exploration, we invite you to engage further. If you found this presentation insightful, your support through the like button is appreciated. Consider sharing this knowledge with colleagues or friends, and for ongoing insights into the multifaceted world of real estate dynamics, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for being a part of today's session.